When using the Garmin navigation system, you will see this menu icon on the right lower hand corner of the receiver. This provides some great functions. One is going to be called Exit Services. Now when I press Exit Services now, it's going to tell me that it's only available on major highways. And that's what Exit Services is all about. When you are driving down a major highway, it will show you a list of specific things such as restaurants, gas stations, and more that are available on the upcoming exits. I use this function all the time. It's a great search function. You'll also be able to see something that's called Trucking Search. This will allow you to see upcoming rest areas, truck stops, way stations, and so much more. When pressing the down arrow, you will see a few additional icons such as easy access to assigning a new route by selecting Where To. You can also select map layers, which will show you additional items on the map itself. The Garmin navigation screen itself offers a lot of customization. You can select a specific icon here to change what's currently being displayed. For example, if you'd like to have the grade listed, you can select grade and then save, and then it will display the grade in that area. And again, you can select other functions as well to be able to access more information or make changes if available. The Garmin navigation, simply one of the easiest and best navigation systems to use.
KENWOOD